Yeah, what is good, guys? Is your boy Savvy Forex in the chat? The boy Savvy Forex. So this is the first day of the week that I'm trading. I didn't trade on Monday. Yeah, I don't trade on Monday. So today is Tuesday, and I've taken the first trade of the week on Euro AUD. It's quite a plus setup, but yeah, it is what it is. I just trust my strategy, my analysis, and I let it play. So let me show you quickly in the chat how the trade looks like. This is how it looks like in the chat. Tuesday, by the way, I set a discipline rule. I've started becoming more disciplined. I want to become more disciplined than before. So inside my rules, I don't trade on Monday and Thursday. Thursday have been a bad trading day for me, but I don't trade on Monday and Thursday. So I didn't trade on Monday. I didn't even shop in the market. I shop around 2 something. That was when I shop in the market. But regardless, today is Tuesday. This is the first trade of the week. You can see it's on Euro AUD, and I'm risking my regular 1%, 46, approximately 1%. So you see how the trade is going. We are currently in $7.81 profit. So it is what it is. It's coming down, bro, but it is what it is. This trade, I'm definitely holding this trade. It's a 1:6, but I think I'll be closing at a 1:5. Yeah, I won't be holding much. I won't be holding that long. I should be closing at a 1:5. Let me just take it at a 1:5. I'll be leaving the market as soon as price gets to a 1:5. No need to hold the price for long. So 1:5, we'll be leaving this market. This trade looks valid for me. This trade looks valid for me. It is what it is. But it's not kind of my A plus setup trade. Yeah, it's not kind of my A plus setup. But regardless, it is what it is. I will update you guys later. You see how the trade, it looks valid for me. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Price is still ranging on my POIs. I don't know what price is gonna do, but this trade is TP will be a nice one to start in the whole week. I'll update you guys when the trade hits stop loss or when it's time for break even. Once it's at 1:1.5, which is $75 upward, I put it on break even and I'll update you guys later. Please, if you haven't followed me or subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so we grow together. The journey of discipline is one step ahead. Let's see how it goes. I love you guys. Yeah, what is good, guys? Bless you all for tuning in and thank you for tuning in. By the way, you can see the trade is, it has reached 1:4. Yeah, the trade went to about 1:4, but my my take profit was above 1:4. It was at 1:5. That's a fucking mistake I did. I would have held this trade for 1:5, but it is what it is. I'm going to take my stop loss. I put at a 1:2. It is what it is. I'm going to update you guys later how this trade went. Let us break even on this trade together. I'm not gonna just break it even here, so I'll be protecting something for myself. This account is in a drawdown, so I'll be protecting something for myself. I'll be protecting at least $103. We're protecting 2% for myself, so we will just come out of drawdown. That's the best thing I can do now, is by securing some profit to myself. So let's just secure at least 1:20. Okay, let's leave it at 1:16 or 1:15. Let's leave it at 1:18. So let's leave it there. So that's it. We have secured something. The least that can happen this trade will just come back, hit us out at a profit of 2%. So this is what it is. Let me update my WhatsApp group, the group where we are. We have a trading IQ there. So let me upgrade them. Let me update them how the trade is going. See you guys. Let's go. Let's get it cooked. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the Euro AUD trade has finally, I don't know what to say, it's me out on break even. Yeah, I broke even on the street, so I secured partial because this is the initial place I would have taken my TP. Like, my TP should have been taken out here, which should have looked something like this. This is the initial place my TP should have been for a 1:3 point something or 1:4. Badly a 1:4, which is this point, as you can see, 1:4. But for some reason, I extended it to 1:5, which is around somewhere here like this. So price didn't get there, it's reverse. And one thing I noticed was when price was close to there, I saw this candlestick, this red candlestick here, and I said, no, let me take my stop loss and put at this point. And God so kind, price came back, hit me out on stop loss. I secured 4% profit for myself. As you can see today, I secured 4% profit for myself, and then price just drop all the way down. As you can see, it is what it is. Regardless, we didn't stay great, but next time I've learned, this is where I will be putting my take profit. This is where I've been always putting my take profit, somewhere here or here, but today I just extended it for 1 to 5. If not that I was active, I would have lost all my profit. But regardless, God never fail. It's a nice day. Every day we learn. So we are up for this week, 4%. Regardless, anything that happens this week, I'll be trading. Probably if I see setup tomorrow, I will take. But if there's no setup, I'll be not. I don't trade on Thursday, so if there's no setup tomorrow, Wednesday, that will be on Friday. I'll catch you guys. So the worst that can happen this week is I will lose 2%, which is 1% tomorrow and 1% on Friday if I trade in those 2 days. So I'll be still up about 2% in profit for the week. So regardless, let's see how it goes. Please subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, today is Wednesday, by the way, and I've taken the second trade of the week on GG. I've taken the second trade of the week on GG. Without wasting your time, let's dive straight into the screen. Let me show you how the trade is currently going. This is how it's going. Today is Wednesday, by the way. I've taken the second trade of the week on GG. It's not really the trade I can call A plus setup or B plus setup. This one I just call it C plus setup. As you can see on the 15-minute frame, I've been wanting to sell this trade, but it didn't go well. We have a break of structure here at this point, and then we have a change of character. GJ is bearish now, and I've been wanting to sell this trade, but I didn't sell it. It is what it is. So today we sold it now because price went into that PY zone and gives us a lower time frame fractal market shift. As you can see, we have a break of structure here and a change of character, but this is how it's currently going. I'm in a deep drawdown right now, so it is what it is. I'll update you guys later. So currently we are floating minus 16, $17 negative, but I'm gonna update you guys later. This is a trade I wanted to take, but I didn't take it because of the way the 15-minute candlestick was reversing back. I didn't take this trade. This trade would have been a nice one, but I didn't take it. It is what it is. Sometimes these things happen. So regardless, I'll update you guys later. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, what is good, guys? Bless you all for tuning in, and thank you for turning in. So you know I have a rule that say once the trade goes about 1:1.5 in profit, I break even on the trade. Currently this trade have been more than 1:1.5. I wasn't aware it's almost closed. Okay, 1:2. So it was up 1:2. So regardless, I follow my rules. I'm break even. I'll be breaking even on this trade. Let me put this trade on break even. The worst that can happen is price come back, hit us out on break even, and then we'll be good. So break even has been secured. Let me secure. Break even has been secured successfully. So the worst that can happen is price will come back and hit us out on break even. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, break even has been secured. Break even has been secured. We are currently floating about. You see that? Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Update you guys later how this trade went. Yeah, guys, today is Friday, and I've taken the last trade of the week. The trade is quite green, but it is what it is. Let me show you guys how it looks on my screen. It's Friday, and this will be the last trade of the week. Roughly, if this trade is stop loss, I'll be down. I'll still be in profit of $150 because the first trade of the week was a 4 profit, and the second of the week I lost 1%. That's making it 150. So if I lose the trade of this today, I'll be down 100 or something like that. But regardless, let me show you how it looks on the screen. Let's go. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the trade I took on Euro AUD as its stop loss. Yeah, price just liquidate us out and then start moving into our favor. But it's what it is. We are done for the day. This setup will look. This setup look good. It looks very good. But it is what it is. And gold, for gold, I'm seeing opportunity to buy on gold at this POI zone, but I don't really know how that is gonna go. But I'm gonna update you guys later. See you guys next week if that's the end of the last trade. You can see how much are we down. How much are we down today? They're down $47.86. Then for the week so far, we took 3 trades, 2 wins and 1 loss. Okay, that is what it is. I'll beat you guys later. What is good, guys? I just break my rules. I take 4 trades today. I purposely did this. This SAU shouldn't have been here, but I purposely took the other trade. I purposely took the sell on GJ, and you can see how it's following me back very heavily. I'm so ashamed of myself. Can you see what we are facing? Purposely did this, and it's gonna pay for it. That's what you pay when you break your rules. Whenever you break your rules, you have to pay for it. So I'm paying for it. Stop loss will be hit in less than 0 seconds. I paid for this. I'm out, guys. I break my rules. I took the trade when I shouldn't have taken this trade. Sorry, I'm so ashamed of myself. I break my rules. Shouldn't have taken this trade. But regardless, it is what it is. You see how it's moving? See how fast the trade looks? How speed the trade is using to come down? See what the trade is doing. Now I'm tempted to sell now. I'm tempted to sell again. But I'm not gonna sell it. It is what it is. We break the rules. This trade was tempted. A lot of people noticed this trade. A lot of people spot out this trade. So soon, guys, I'm done for the week. This week we take 4 trades, 2 wins, 2 loss. We are up in profit of $107. I'm so ashamed of myself, but it is what it is. I'm done for this week. Yeah, what is good, guys? Today in a life of a forex trader on my weekend is like today is just sanitation. So in my area, I just decided to do 1 or 2 things with this cutlass. You see how it is? It's very strong. Yeah, I just got everything done. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Just gotta get sweat, do a lot of things. Yeah, after today, after sanitation, maybe after the work, I'm gonna edit the video about how my weekly P&L went. Yeah, see this? And when you see it clear, you're gonna see how you just hit it. You just slide in it. Yeah, bro. This is why I'm gonna update you guys later. Yeah, maybe after the sanitation. See you guys maybe on Sunday. I'll be dropping my P&L and my weekly P&L wins. Do I look strong? How do I look? Yeah, this is what it is. I'll update you guys later. Look at my muzzle. Look at my. I have 6 pack. Yeah. Lately I started seeing my 6 pack. Can you see? I'm gonna update you guys later. See you guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Catch you next week.